And now you're able to do a calculus one friend. The point being that your biology professor has given you this situation. She says, I know how the velocity of this thing. I just don't know the position. I have a law for velocity. I don't have a law for position. And this is quite common in physics and biology. Right? And who's taking physics? And you have laws for acceleration. You have no laws for position. You have no laws for Newton's law. The acceleration is the sum of forces divided by the mass. So whatever the forces are acting on it, you will find the acceleration. In other words, the second derivative of the position is equal to, I don't know, something. No, you have to find x. So you have to integrate. Who knows how to integrate this thing? Huh? 3 over 6 plus x squared. Oh, I'm sorry. It should be x. Why is that 6? What's the integral of this? I'm going to change it to t. What's the integral of 3 over 6 plus t squared? 3, 6 plus t to the negative 2. What's the antiderivative?
Negative 3 over 6 plus b.
So it will be 3 over 3 times 6. 1. I think it's right. So you have to put the x in there and the 0 in there. You can do a small use substitution. What is this equal to?
What does that say?
What's the antiderivative of 3 over 6 plus t squared? Now you can do a small use substitution. I can do it in my head. 6 plus 3 times 6 plus t to the negative 1. Negative 2 integrates to 6 plus t to the negative 1, negative 1. Oh, it should be negative 3. So we'll put x equal to 0 in there, and x equals x.
Supposed to be an x or a t?
I am putting x into the function that I'm integrating.
Okay.
That's why I call it t. So y of x minus y of 0 is equal to this. How do I get y of x? I'll put this number in. What is this number?
Yes.
6. I'll take the 6 to the other side. I will get my position. So all I have to do is integrate this function from 0 to x. And we'll get this. So here's another one. You try this one. Determine the position function. The velocity is secant squared. And the position at pi by 4 is 5. Find the position function. I would call it S of x. S of x. I'm gonna use this. Say if I put a pi by 4. No? Pi by 4. What function am I integrating? Secant squared. Secant squared. What is the antiderivative of secant squared? Tangent. So I will evaluate the tangent of x, I will evaluate the tangent of pi by 4. And I will have s of x minus s of pi by 4. What is s of x? Here it is. S of x minus s of pi by 4 is the integral from pi by 4 to x of ds by dt of dt. What is ds by dt? V. What is v of t? Secant squared. What is the antiderivative of secant squared? Tangent. I will evaluate it at x, and I will evaluate it at, and I will. That is s of x minus s of pi by 4. What is tangent of pi by 4?
1.
1. S of x. What is s of pi by 4? 5. What is s of x? Tangent of x plus 4. I'll see you on Thursday.
You're gonna have homework cover lab, or is like that the homework covering up until the 10th? Or did you just put like a nice little expiration date there?
For the first homework. First homework, I think you have about 2 weeks. Yeah, they may overlap.
Okay. Just making sure. So,
Right now.